If you are a YouTube creator, there's one thing you cannot afford to ignore: the words you use in your content. Believe it or not, certain words can get your videos flagged, restricted, or even demonetized by the YouTube automatic system. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly which words to avoid, why they are risky, and what you can say instead. First, let's understand how this works. YouTube uses a mix of algorithm and human reviewers to check for language that might violate their advertiser-friendly guidelines or community standard. Even if your video is perfectly fine visually, the wrong words in your audio or caption could trigger a yellow monetization icon. I've put together a list of the most commonly risked words and their safer replacements so you can keep your channel in the green. As I go through them, you will see the wrong term on the left and the right alternative on the right. This way, you can still express your ideas clearly without crossing YouTube lines. At the end of this video, I'll share a few extra tips that will help you stay compliant with YouTube policies and keep your monetization secure. Remember, it's not just about avoiding penalties, it's about building a channel that advertisers want to support. So let's dive in and make sure your content stays safe, creative, and profitable. This video could literally save your YouTube channel. Do you know that using certain words in your video could lead to demonetization or even channel deletion? The YouTube algorithm is incredibly advanced. It's built to detect and flag sensitive language. Often in real time, ignoring this can cost you your channel, your audience, and years of hard work. That's why every YouTuber and every aspiring creator needs to pay close attention to this. Recently, someone reached out to me. Her channel was permanently removed after she mentioned a highly sensitive word, one that's flagged under YouTube's strict content policy. Even after trying to open a new channel, YouTube kept removing them. It could have been due to IP tracking. I advised her to start afresh, a new Gmail, a new device, to avoid uploading anything from the previously flagged computer. Now let me teach you how to avoid getting into trouble in the first place. There are specific ways YouTube system consider non-advertiser friendly or dangerous. These words can demonetize your video, restrict your reach, or trigger content strike. Let's look at the ways to avoid it and what you should say instead. These alternatives will help keep your content monetized and your channel saved. For the sake of the policies, I will need to mute my audios now while you watch it on the screen slide. Thank you. Now, you have seen the list of dangerous ways and their safer alternatives. Let me leave you with a few closing thoughts, especially if you are serious about growing your channel or preserving everything you've worked hard to build. First, remember this: YouTube is not just a platform, it's a business. And like every business, it wants content that is brand safe, ad friendly, and respectful to its global audience. That's why certain words, no matter how factual or unintentional, can trigger demonetization, limited reach, or in extreme cases, total deletion of your channel. Let's be honest, it hurts to lose your channel after years of creating content, filming, editing, uploading, and building a community. But the good news is, this can be avoided if you simply stay informed and play by the rules. So what should you do as a creator going forward? 1. Think before you speak, literally. Even if the topic is sensitive or serious, choose words that inform without triggering the algorithm. Secondly, edit your captions and descriptions. YouTube scans your transcript, titles, tags, thumbnails, everything. A clean transcript equals a clean shot at monetization. Always keep your content educational. Number 3. When addressing a controversial topic, add disclaimers if necessary. For education purposes, note this can make a huge difference. Number 4. Test your videos before uploading. If you are not sure about a term or phrase, run a short test upload as private or unlisted. That way you can preview how YouTube responds before making it public. Number 5. Join creator communities or forums. Learn from others, just like you are doing right now. Knowledge shared is stress avoided. And here's the truth: clean content does not mean boring content. In fact, it challenges you to be more creative, more strategic, and more intentional, which is exactly what successful creators are known for. So whatever or whether or if you are new to YouTube or already monetized, your ability to speak smart, stay updated, and stay within guidelines is your best strategy. Do not wait until you get that scary email from YouTube. Don't let a single word be the reason your channel crashes. Be proactive, be wise, and most of all, be consistent. If this video has added value to you, make sure you like the video, drop a comment below, let's talk about it. Share this with any creator you know, and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube survival tips like this. This is Vibe with Peter, helping you grow, stay safe, and succeed online. Subscribe now.